Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. By the grace of Allah, I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. So, students, how is your Ramzan going? Is it going good? All are fasting or not? Okay, no problem. If you are not fasting, no problem. Just do prayers and do du'as for everyone and help others. Okay, student? This is your maths period, and today our topic is of multiplication, count and difference number. Okay, so students, this is your revision, and you have already done in your classes this topic. Now we are going to revise this. Okay, so students, what day is today? Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Okay, and this we will write here religion work. And which Ramzan is today? Today is 13th of Ramadan, 1442. Okay, and 26th of April, 2021. Okay, students. So, students, for the multiplication or divisions, you all should learn the table. You should all know the tables of 2 to 12. In the last class, we have done in our copies table of 12. And I have made you to learn the table of 12. सबको टेबल याद होने चाहिए क्योंकि विदाउट दैट ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन पॉसिबल नहीं है. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, सबसे पहले आपको टेबल याद करें, फिर दिस विल बी इजिएस्ट फॉर यू. ओके, नाउ टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू काउंट इन twos. So students, first I will write count. Please do it in your copies, neat and clean. Okay, do it, count in twos, and I am starting with the easiest table that you will be able to understand and do it easily. Okay, missing number. Okay, the question is count in twos and fill in the missing number. Okay, I am making it dark that you can see it properly. Okay, missing numbers. So students, number one, you will write with this. You will write with the blue, and I'm been writing now with black. Okay, number one, A, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. First I will write everything, then we will solve it. Okay, now the B1, 12, 16, so 12, then here is 16, 16, 20. This is 16, okay, and this is the comma. C1 is 10, dash, and 18, 20. Okay, students, this is the question which we are going to solve today. What we have to do, they have told us to count in twos, means we have to add 2 in every number. Means when we add 2 in 0, it will become 2. What it will become? It will become 2. When we will add 2 more 2, 3, 4. It will become 4. Now you can see, students, it is becoming the table of 2. 2 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Similarly, if you have learned the table, it will be easiest to solve this rather than you add in that. ऐड करने से बेहतर है बेटा आपको टेबल हो तो आप इजीली इसको कर सकते हैं. इसी तरह आप सेकंड में देखेंगे 12 है. 12 के बाद अगर आप टेबल पर 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, and then 2 10s are 20. This will become the table of 2. Okay. Then 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20 is given. Okay. Understood what you have to do in this? You have to just count or you have to read the table of 2. In the same way, you can do same as 3, with 4, with 5, with 6, with 7, with 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on. But the condition is that you must know the tables. Okay. Now I'm giving you the question. You have understood what we have to do in this? In the same way, you have to solve this one also. Write the question. Count in fives and fill in the missing. Please do your work neat and tidy, okay? Missing numbers. Okay, students? Count in fives and fill in the missing numbers. Number A. Okay. 0. 15, 20. Here will be the days. Okay. And 25. Okay. There should be straight. 0, dash, 15. Okay. Then dash, then 25, then dash. Okay. Now the B1. The B1 is 25. Dash, 40. 45. Okay. C1, 10. and dash. Okay. So students, in the same way as we have done in the up one's question, you have to solve this also. Okay. What you have to do? You have to count in fives. Okay. Count in fives and fill in the blanks. So first here you have to add 5 and 0, then it will become 5. Then you will read the table of 5. I am giving you the easiest one, but you all have to learn other tables 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Because you should know, and everything will be easier for multiplication and division also. Okay, students? Understood what you have to do? In the same way, you have to solve these 3 9s and you have to read the table of 5. Okay, just here is written count in 5 and here was written count in 2s. So student, do it by yourself. Okay, and I hope you have all understood this. If you are facing any problem, you can ask me in the group. Okay, so take good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.